We started last month about a consciousness evening, and we just asked, what is consciousness? And we stated the question to open more and more the field, and then it was quite expensive and quite fun. And so also for this evening, I want to start with, what is presence? What does it mean to be present? And so it's for all the time ask inside, what does it mean when I'm fully present? And how much in percentage I'm present? And then just say it out loud. What number is coming up?
60%.
60%? And what would change in your life when you're 100% fully present? And the other funny question is, why are we not 100% present? What comes up?
Because we cannot accept everything.
What do you mean with this?
Well, I accept everything on all myself, the other ones, let them be.
Are you sure that this has something to do with acceptance?
Yeah, I
So
thought
what
so.
is being present?
I thought so.
What does it mean to be present?
To be aware.
I think
Laura.
it feels unsafe sometimes, right?
Okay. Why?
Because I think, well, one, I think it's a conditioned thing that our brain gets into this space where it's trying to play chess or like understand outcomes, and it's trying to kind of be ahead of whatever's happening. And so it feels kind of scary to leave that space.
Are you ready to change now all kind of fears, what you believe that you need to have by being fully present?
Yes.
Just breathe out everything where you are afraid of, hey, when I'm fully present and aware of everything what is, that you are overloaded or that you know too much or that you're more weird than people think that you are. Martin, what does it mean to you being present? What is being present? Should I unmute you? And now it's going.
No, I had to unmute myself. Yeah, just be 100% alive in the moment, in my body.
So why you're not alive 100% right now?
I'm getting there. I had 80%, but it feels like it's getting more right now. So
the thing is, nobody needs to do anything. You just need to ask the field and allow things to happen. It's not there is a doer, oh, I need to be more present. No, it's just like with every question, we just go deeper and getting more awareness, more feeling.
Maybe it's allowance, like no walls being having to be there, just complete allowance of what is.
And do you allow to feel everything what is in your body?
Yes.
How much in percentage?
96
Are you
or
sure?
69. Before it was 69. Probably 69.
Yeah,
But
at 17. Yeah.
yeah.
And then always like, always ask how much am I lying to myself and how much is the real number. When you're unsure, hey, mind, please show me the real number, truth, what's going on. Okay, it doesn't matter what kind of number because it's always changing. It's more like to have the awareness, hey, I got the inner voice who immediately knows everything and I just connect to my inner voice. And then, okay, 70. Okay, there's still 30% who don't want to be fully present to have an excuse for whatever. That I have a pain or something else from outside, so I can constantly judge something. So, okay. And then step by step, everyone just invites more of the self, more of the being, of the presence. We don't need to change, we don't need to push anything, we're just like, you get awareness by being aware, not by constantly more mind shit.
I see that it works also via distance with this transmission. And yeah, you all helped me a lot. Thank you.
Thank you.
Es war beeindruckend. Irgendwie hat meine komplette Halswirbelsäule wirklich vom großen Wirbel bis zu Atlas voll bewegt, so wie richtig gelockert, so Schwingung rein. Komplett wirklich so irgendwie heilend. Ich habe zwar immer wieder Verspannungen, jetzt mal in der linken Schulterblatt, und das geht natürlich auf die Wirbelsäule rauf. Und da habe ich wirklich eine Erleichterung jetzt erfahren dürfen. Vielen lieben Dank.
She just said that her whole head started shaking and the spine started to align, and she had ordinarily some shoulder problems, and now it disappeared. Nice, beautiful.
It's terrifying to be perceived, but it's also like exhilarating. And so my mind wants to make it terrifying, but my body is like, but we're alive and this is exhilarating. And so it's this really, it's like a dance, and who's going to win the dance? And then there's kind of like nothing. And when there's nothing, that equally feels terrifying, because then it feels like nothing to do. And when you're not doing anything, that's just like, am I alive? But of course you're alive, because you feel it. I don't know. It's hard to put into words. But thank you.
Yeah.
Because it's very powerful, right? This is being in everyone's presence is being in your own presence. And there isn't any kind of like, the mind wants to trick you that there's some sort of delineation, but it's just all of it. It's here, and it's really fun. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
To say that was a pretty good description. I noticed that as well when being in presence, that it's really you're starting to observe yourself, and how much do you allow yourself to be seen. It's like this game, do I open up or not? But in a way, at some point you can do it very playfully and be this child again and just receive and be in awe and wonder what to receive. Yeah, it was pretty interesting. And with the question of when you took the small frequency pill globally, I don't know exactly what it was, or I never had this strong effect, but I opened like my vision and I started to see more color. So I had this idea, like I saw the chakras maybe. I don't know, I was just, because I was so calm being in the presence, I could earlier feel like I'm relaxing more into my body, like the tension goes off, that I could see this and just receive it. And I'm like, oh, okay, interesting to see that. Because sometimes when this happens, my mind is like, ah, what was that? And then, of course, it's gone. But now it was really interesting to just let it be and do nothing with it. Just noticing. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Dorit.
I had a good time. Many things moved, I would say. Had a nice stare of you seeing the dragon. Felt warm and opening, and then when you sent frequencies, I was in a nice feeling of my central column, like energy going up and down, up and down. Yeah, and was a good time observing, directly asking questions. Yeah, nice space. Thank you.
During the experiment, but a lot of body sensations, like my hips relaxed, my shoulders moved down, and my whole body felt like it were prepared for being a vessel. So like really purifying energy up and down. And also the feeling of filling myself from the inside and also from the outside. So it was awesome.
When you start, the energy rise from the chest to the head, and my third eye getting brighter at this moment. And then it was like a falling process, like more non-doing process, more and more. It's like going through layers, fall down, and I know there is more potential to fall more down. Is surrender, is just surrender.
In the beginning, when you talked to Thomas, I had so many aha moments. I don't know, I could tune in so in this energy, and I was so in my heart, and there were no thoughts, and I was really wondering, where are they gone? I don't see anymore. It was like I was thinking with my heart. I cannot describe it differently. And when you made the experiment, I felt very light, uplifted. So really, I could feel my body so also moving up. I felt like I had a big release, or something shifted. And I felt so light, and I cannot describe it.
Beautiful. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Well, I usually shake a lot when there's a transmission. Like I feel like my channels open and then just like shake like crazy. But it's a release. I do feel like clearer. My head is a lot clearer. I get tinnitus a lot and that feels clearer. My neck's clearer. My back is not as sore. My spine is not aligned. So I feel more present. There's not tension in my heart anymore, like a lot of great shifting. So very powerful.
I also thank you. It was my first time here, and I feel calm. And I had this kind of maybe tingling, is it the right word, in my body at the beginning. And later on, I saw a right light, the right color, and I danced. And I was loving. And I felt like a child. Yeah. It was
Amazing.
yeah,
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Thanks for sharing.
Thank you. Mm-hmm.
And then hopefully you share some funny stories on next Sunday, same time. More information in the group. So have a beautiful night. Share your presence to everyone. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Bye
Thanks
bye.
so much.